Okay, so if you clicked on the video, you probably have one of these, and you probably want to know how to put your piston into your block. So let me show you. I got my piston here. I've already cleaned it and oiled it. And you need to but you need to space your ring gap according to the manufacturer or your engine builder, or you know, whoever you go by. So you need to oil this sleeve and clean it so there's no dirt in between the two layers and the backside on the coil. It makes it a lot easier to compress the springs on the piston. So you want to make sure everything's squared up and everything looks good inside. I leave a little of the piston out. That little bit of the piston will go into the hole and it'll index your compressor tool on the right cylinder. Not the right cylinder, but directly over the hole, so it'll slide in a lot easier on the first time. So with it all sleeved up like this and coiled up, you need to get you want your crank in line so you can move it. You need your crank in line with your rod bearing down here on the journal or the crankshaft for that cylinder, so that everything's gonna mate up down in the bottom end. So I'm gonna put some assembly lube on this, and I'm gonna put it in there. A little oil on the cylinder. Assembly lube. My assembly lube on the connecting rod. Put it in there. This is a Honda motor, so I'm having to look at the intake and the arrows all lined up, and the intake reliefs are different from the exhaust valve reliefs on the piston, so there's an orientation. Use something soft like wood or like a rubber mallet or something. You can knock her in there. And it has this in there like that. You want to make sure your crank is going to be in position.